So, you want to get into crypto trading. It can seem overwhelming, but it's really about choosing the right starting point. Think of it like learning to drive. You don't start in a race car, you start simple. There are two main paths: the beginner-friendly route and the professional route. The beginner path uses online exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Easy to use, accessible, and perfect for learning. You can sign up, connect your bank, and start trading small amounts in minutes. This is your empty parking lot, a safe place to practice and make mistakes without high stakes. The professional path is for serious traders. They use advanced tools like the Bloomberg Terminal, which offers instant access to global financial data. It's powerful but expensive, thousands per month, and built for those trading large sums at high speed. If you're new, stick with the beginner path. Use online exchanges, learn the basics, and get comfortable with the market's ups and downs. Only consider the pro tools after you've built a solid foundation and are consistently profitable. The goal is to build your skills gradually, just like you wouldn't jump into deep water before learning to swim. Start simple, learn the ropes, and grow from there. Crypto trading is a journey. Let's take the first step together. Choose your path wisely, and remember, everyone starts as a beginner. Don't rush into complexity, focus on learning and building confidence. The basics are your best friend at this stage. Practice, observe, and don't be afraid to make small mistakes. The market will always be there. Your job is to survive and learn. As you progress, you'll know when you're ready for more advanced tools. For now, embrace the learning process. Every expert was once a beginner. Let's dive into how to use these beginner-friendly exchanges. Your journey starts now. Let's make it count. Ready? Let's get started with the basics. Here's how to set up your first crypto account. Getting started with an online crypto exchange is designed to be easy. Go to a site like Coinbase or Kraken, sign up, and verify your identity, just like opening a bank account. Funding your account is simple. Link your bank or use a debit card. Start with a small amount you're comfortable losing. Think of it as tuition. These platforms offer free resources, basic trading tools, and simple price charts. You can watch prices, place your first trades, and learn how news affects the market. The interface is intuitive, big buy and sell buttons, easy order entry. Many exchanges even reward you with free crypto for completing beginner lessons. This is your training ground. Practice, observe, and learn by doing. Don't worry about fancy tools yet, focus on understanding how trades work. Watch how prices move and how different coins react to news. The hands-on experience you get here is invaluable. Start small, stay curious, and use every feature the platform offers. This is where your trading journey truly begins. Professional traders use the Bloomberg Terminal for a reason. It's the gold standard for real-time financial data. It delivers instant global market information, advanced analytics, and secure communication, all at lightning speed. The cost? Over $25,000 a year. But for those managing millions, every second and every data point matters. The terminal gives access to news before it hits public sites, powerful charting, and deep market analysis. It's not for hobbyists, it's for hedge funds, institutions, and full-time pros. For them, it's a business tool, not a luxury. You don't need this to start, but knowing it exists shows how deep the trading world goes. Focus on mastering the basics before even thinking about tools like this. Speed is everything for professional traders, even their internet is specialized. They use business-grade fiber lines and direct data feeds to minimize latency, getting market data milliseconds faster than the average user. Offices are often located near exchange servers for the fastest possible connection. For beginners, your home internet is more than enough. The price swings you'll trade on happen over minutes or hours, not milliseconds. But understanding this arms race for speed shows how competitive pro trading is. As you grow, a faster connection might help, but strategy matters more than speed at the start. Focus on learning, not racing. The pros invest in speed because at their level, every millisecond counts. My own trading journey started with just a laptop at the kitchen table. I made emotional trades, learned from small mistakes, and realized the importance of having a plan. Over time, I shifted from gambling to developing simple, rule-based strategies. I set limits on how much to risk per trade and used basic indicators. Patience and discipline improved my results. As I grew, I upgraded my tools. Better charting software, a second monitor, even simple trading bots. I never needed a Bloomberg terminal, but I understand its value. The lessons start small, build knowledge and discipline, and upgrade your tools as your skills grow. You don't need fancy gear on day one. What matters is learning, adapting, and being patient. Every step forward is progress. Focus on growth, not perfection. Your journey will evolve as you do. As you get comfortable, you'll hear about algorithmic trading using bots to automate your strategy. An algorithm is just a set of rules a computer follows to buy or sell for you. This removes emotion and lets you trade 24/7. For example, set a bot to buy Ethereum if it drops 5% in an hour, then sell if it rises 3%. Many exchanges offer basic automation like stop-loss and take-profit orders. More advanced traders use third-party platforms or write their own bots for custom strategies. Automation is essential for fast strategies like arbitrage. For beginners, start with simple automated orders. As you learn, explore more complex automation to save time and improve discipline. Work smarter, not harder. Buy the dip is a classic strategy. Wait for a strong crypto to drop in price, then buy, expecting a rebound. Research your asset. Don't just pick randomly. Watch for a dip caused by news or normal fluctuation. Set a limit order to buy if the price drops to your target. This automates your entry and removes emotion. Only buy dips in projects you believe in. Weak coins may never recover. Combine this with dollar cost averaging. Buy small amounts as the price drops to reduce risk. Patience is key. Don't chase every move. This strategy teaches discipline and helps you avoid buying at the top. Use it to build positions in assets you trust. Over time, you'll see how powerful buying the dip can be. Start small and refine your approach as you learn. Arbitrage means buying crypto on one exchange where it's cheaper and selling it on another where it's pricier. For example, if Bitcoin is $70,000 on Coinbase and $70,050 on Binance, you buy on one and sell on the other for a quick profit. These price gaps are small and disappear fast, so bots are usually needed to act instantly. Manual arbitrage is tough for beginners, but understanding it shows that markets aren't always perfectly efficient. Watch price differences across exchanges to learn how fast these gaps close. Automation is key for this strategy. Even if you don't trade arbitrage, observing it teaches you about market dynamics. It's a great way to see how speed and technology shape trading. Start by tracking prices, not trading to build your understanding. Arbitrage is advanced, but the lesson is valuable for all traders. Indicators help you make smarter trades. One of the best for beginners is on-balance volume, OBV. OBV tracks volume to show if big players are buying or selling, often before prices move. If price is flat but OBV rises, it's a bullish sign. Smart money is accumulating. If price rises but OBV falls, it's bearish. Rally may be weak. Add OBV to your charts to spot these signals. Look for divergence price and OBV moving in opposite directions. Use OBV to confirm your buy or sell decisions. It's simple and powerful and available on most free charting tools. Practice reading OBV to build your technical analysis skills. This tool gives you insight into what the smart money is doing. Combine it with other strategies for better results. OBV is a great first step into technical trading. We've covered the basics, strategies, and tools for starting your crypto trading journey. Your main goal now is to learn, practice, and survive. Don't rush. Start small on a user-friendly exchange and treat your first months as an apprenticeship. Watch charts daily, observe how prices react to news, and practice spotting opportunities. Add indicators like OBV, and look for buy-the-dip chances in strong projects. Notice price differences between exchanges to understand arbitrage. No single strategy works all the time. Adapt as the market changes. Keep learning, read, watch videos, and follow experienced traders. Be patient and expect mistakes. They're part of the process. Successful traders learn from losses and keep improving. Start small, manage risk, and never stop learning. Your journey is unique. Embrace it. If you stay curious and disciplined, you'll thrive in crypto trading. Good luck.